こんにちは、Kuniko です。I went to Sarasota Art Museum and saw the exhibit by a Cuban African American, Juana Valdez. Valdez folded countless origami boat, expressing freedom from the shore of colonialization. Let's fold this from the short side to short side in half. Match the lines and corners. Let's do it on the desk. So here's what I have on the desk. And from the short side to short side, you're gonna fold it in half again. You are making 1/4 from the letter size paper. You see that? Let's do orientation. If the opening side is on the top, like I did, just turn it around and opening side should be on the bottom, or I should say towards your stomach, and then towards the center crease. Folded edge will be folded to the center crease, which is a triangle fold. And you do the same from the opposite side. Let's try to be as precise as we could be. You don't have to be perfect. Okay, here's the next. From the bottom, pick up only one single layer from the bottom and fold up as far as you could go. So the creasing is on the bottom of the triangle edge. And pick it up. You will fold the corner. Do you see the corner triangle fold? It's kind of small, but you just kind of go align with the big triangle. So now you don't see any triangle stuck up, and then turn it over to the other side. You will repeat the same routine. Fold up the single layer up as far as you could go. It's about 1 inch. And then make a sharp crease. Fold the triangle corner like that. It's small, but I think you will see it. At the end, you have a complete triangle. And then pick it up. You will see this side and that side. Here's the next. It's a big move. On the bottom of the triangle, open as far as you could go. And you will see as you open, top and the bottom goes up and down, and put that together to flat, square, like this. It could be tricky, so if you didn't get it, please rewind and try that again. And now next, from the bottom of the diamond square to the top. Hey, oops, not all the way to the top. Do you see that? It's off. It's not completely to the top. It's about ½ inch or 1 inch lower from the top. And do the same, exactly the same on the back side. So you have to flip it and do the same. The next is again on the bottom. You will open this as far as you can go, and you will squeeze from the side and make this move. And this move was tricky, but the same you did before. So if you didn't get it, please rewind. And here's what I have. And from here, we are almost the end. You pull the two sides wide to the shape of the boat. Ah, that is it. And that is a boat. Remember the artist Valdez dreamed about freedom from the colonization and slavery. Ha, the boat, origami boat, expressed that much. That means a lot to me. Congratulations, we made this and enjoy.